Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. Today we have the Vellabox, so let's get into it and check it out. This is the June Vellabox. That's the May Vellabox. It never left here. I have to tell you, every time I have lit a candle downstairs, I have been completely bitter that it is not this candle. I left this up here for my taping because it smells so good. And like today, I've been taping, so this room is just scented so gloriously of it. I love it. This is the Daybreak by Sincerely Sarah Jane. It is gorgeous. So let's see about the June box. What I love about these candles is, you guys know I love candles. These are clean candles, so they don't have all of this stuff in them, the paraffins and that kind of thing that you don't want being released into your house. This is sent to me free for review. If you have any interest in it, I will put my link below. It will get you 50% off your first box. They have 3 different sizes you can choose from, 4, 8, and 16 ounces. I have the 16 ounce candle here. That is what this month's looks like. It's just a nice canvas bag that it comes in very nicely. It always comes with a nice little bonus. This month we have the 3 Ships Dewdrops Mushroom Hyaluronic Acid Vitamin C Serum. That's kind of fun. So I will set this aside. You guys know I can't use vitamin C on my face, but I am super happy to pass that along. When we open up the box, it says, "The sea, once it casts its spell, holds one in its net of wonder forever. J'accuse." And then we have their little Spotify down here that says, "Check out our latest playlist, Beach Days, only on Spotify." So we'll go ahead and get into this, but as I do, let me tell you, when you sign up for it, you have a questionnaire you fill out and you tell it what kind of scents you prefer, and then one is picked for you from the candle maker for each month. And you can also let them know if, like at Christmas and the holiday season, you want all of those holiday scents. I said absolutely, yes I do. So it's a branded Vellabox little, I'm keeping these. I'm thinking these are going to be perfect for like Lush bath bombs. I have taken to sticking them in little bags and putting them in all of my drawers. I love it because now all of my clothes smell like Lush. So the boxes have free shipping and they start at $12. And this month I have Beach Cottage, which is by Living Albright, and it's notes of aqua lotus, coconut water, and jasmine petals. How fantastic does that sound? Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Okay, when you first open it up and you smell it, I could smell like the jasmine maybe. It was slightly floral. But as you take that deep breath of it, you get that beachy smell. I don't know. I guess, is it the coconut, the aqua lotus? I just don't know. It just smells, they're right. It smells beachy. Oh my gosh. I want to keep smelling it. I cannot believe I have gone this long without this box on my channel. So each month, I'm just going to take a deep breath between one. So each month, they work with a different candle maker. And this month, it is Living Albright. Last month, it was the Sincerely Sarah Jane. So each month, you get to try a new person. It's all clean for you. Let me see if there's anything else I'm forgetting to tell you. It's an artisan candle subscription that every month partners with a different artisan candle maker in the US, and they select their best seasonally inspired scents to feature in the box. Each candle, and this is the important part, is clean burning, made with 100% natural wax, phthalate-free fragrance, cotton wicks, and always dye-free, paraben-free, and vegan. Isn't that how you want all of your candles to be? It smells so good. I just found this nice card that was included in the bottom, and it tells me that Beach Cottage is fresh, sweet, and spicy. Green apple, fresh cassis, acai berry, coconut water, aqua lotus, and jasmine petals. The sound of crashing waves provides a soothing natural sound machine as you sleep. Wake up to the smell of salty air and the direct view of the ocean. Just a few sandy steps away and you've got the spot for a perfect beach day. So that gave us a little more about what the scent of Beach Cottage is. I just want you guys to know I am loving this. These candles smell so heavenly. I don't want to be forced to pick which one I like best. I won't. I will not pick which one I like best. But you know what, I'll tell you what I like best? I like that they're paraben free, because paraben is a byproduct of petroleum. And so when it's burned, it releases carcinogenic chemicals into the air. So while I'm sure that for the rest of my life, I probably haven't given up all other candles, I love introducing one that I am 0% hesitant to like put in my bedroom, which is a small space, and have burning because it's clean. That's why I like it. So this month I received the Living Albright Beach Cottage, and based on the way you fill out the questionnaire when you sign up, they would send you the one that was best suited for you from this brand. And each month you get a new one depending on which size you choose. So again, if you have any interest, I will put the link and my code Kathrin50 below. Will get you 50% off your first box and your subscription. If you have any questions, let me know below. If it's something that I can answer, I certainly will. If not, I will find out the answer for you. Thank you so much for being here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I will see you again really soon. And I want to thank Vellabox because I am loving these candles. Bye guys.